Okay, what we have in front of us is a typical 10-inch hub motor with a split rim. Okay, how you can tell it's a split rim is that it's got this seam here and it's got the screws on the side. So let's show you how to remove that split rim. Go ahead. Okay, once that rim is removed, this is how to install your 10-inch 10 by 3 inch PU filled tire. So this is a normal rubber tire on the outside, but on the inside, instead of having a tube, it is filled with our PU compound, polyurethane compound. And this can last for 3,000 kilometers. Right? This is not just ordinary PU compound, but it's been tested to 50 kilometers per hour and above. Okay, so not only is it tested to 50 kilometers per hour and above, this can handle the speed and the distance of 3,000 kilometers. Okay, so let's fit it on the split rim 10-inch hub motor, and we'll show you how easy is it to get it on. Get it on. Okay. Alright, so just fit it in after you take it out. Fit the screw holes in and fit in the screws. So what's special about this PU filled 10 by 3 inch tire is that it's not only is it high speed, it's long distance, and it can fit into most 10-inch rims. Okay. So there are pros and cons to this 10-inch tire. It is a bit harder than air-filled tires. It's harder than air-filled tires naturally because nothing can replace the cushion of air, but it is puncture proof. Okay, so there are pros and cons. And because it's harder, you naturally get more vibration, you need a better suspension for your scooter, but at the same time you get a bit less grip, okay, because this cannot mold to the ground, to the unevenness or the slipperiness of the ground, as well as good as an air-filled tire can do. And this is it. All it takes is 5 minutes and a single tool.